We're gonna go ahead and, since I've got all this kit out, we're gonna go through it one more time now that it's all spread so I can make a nice condensed video of it and go over the equipment. So we have a 2006 Toyota Tundra in the background, 120,000 miles approximately. It has some damage on the front left bumper and some damage on the right rear bumper. It's a crew truck in the trailer and things happen. Inside the cab, the only light that's on is the tire pressure monitoring light. It's flashing, but it's a 2006, so 14-year-old truck, and the batteries and the sensors have died. It's like $600 to replace it. It's just not something I was interested in. We just keep an eye on the tires. So that's the main that I know of this truck, but other than that, it drives nice. In the back here, it has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 slots for your tools, as you can see them hanging up over here. It also has a ladder rack, and then this is not permanent, it's just wooden. You can take it off if you want, but we used it for extra stuff. So when we go down the line here, we'll start all this stuff up, and we're just gonna go ahead and do one more video pulling the cords and letting it run. So I can turn it on, middle throttle, two, what did that do here? One. There we go. Start. It's still kind of cold outside, so these engines are being temperamental. It's not very hot out here. But hang on, maybe did I run out of fuel? No, I got fuel. Probably gave it throttle too soon. Yeah, I did. All right, let her warm up. Gotta be patient. There we go. So, it's a self-walking plate compactor. Works as you would expect. Honda Mower. One. Put it in choke. Start. Full throttle. Blade brake. Off real quick. We have the bag, the mulch plug back here as well. Second Honda mower, bag, mulch plug. Wrong one. There we go. Get it out choke, keep it run. On, and it drives it. And then we'll turn it off as well. All right. Skag V-Ride 2 36-inch Kawasaki FX 600V, 19 horsepower, 140.3 hours. First start, it has a bag attachment, parking brake. You can get off of it, it still runs. However, if you get off of it, all of the safety features are engaged as well. So, step it back on. It doesn't kill itself immediately, and you can still hop back. You can still hop back on and get it. We have the Aaron's Icon X 52 model, 51.8 hours. This one is the Kawasaki FR 691V, 23 horsepower. A little bit of choke. There we go. She starts. I do have to sit on this one. And none of that is disabled, so. Ah. There we go. And we'll double check now and make sure my audio is still on. Okay, good, my audio is still on. Because I sat down after losing my audio on the last one. Okay, now we'll go ahead and go down the line with the blowers and the other engines. We'll go ahead and start this one. On, and they have cruise control. On. The last thing I'm going to show you since it's on is how this. It blows crusher. It blows crusher gravel, so. And that's the reason why you buy commercial equipment, so you can accidentally knock it over and it doesn't get hurt. Okay, Husqvarna 525 weed eater starts right up. Echo SRM 2620 X Series Weed Eater. Starts up. Echo SRM or PE 2620S X Series straight shaft edger, not the curved shaft. Echo PE 225. Okay, starts right up. Echo CS 310 chainsaw. Okay, 2 pulls. Brake operates. This is the Echo CS 590 Timberwolf. Okay, there we go. Brake works. Echo CSG 7410 14-inch concrete and demolition saw. Choke pull. Good pull on it. There we go. I'm not gonna lie, after 16 or 14 now, my arms are tired. I've already started these today. And then this is my Echo, what is that model number here? PPF 225. 1, 2, there we go. And then Echo HC 152. All right. There we go. 1, 2. There she is. And last but not least, all of the spare parts that came on these engines plus some spare blades are in here. So, and then the trailer is equipped with the gas rack. I got a 5-gallon, a 2.5-gallon, plus the trimmer spool on it as well. So that's it. If that'll stand up. There we go. All right.